Oh, you're going to love this event. I really want you to clear your calendar and plan on being this event, because I'm going to teach you everything it takes to become an awesome real estate wholesaler, but also an awesome real estate investor in general. So whether you're doing rentals, you're doing rehabs, you're doing commercial, you're doing wholesaling, everything I'm going to teach you at this masterclass is how you both, one, get started, or two, get better at what you're doing if you're already rolling. Here's the reason why. There's three key things we're going to focus in on at the one-day Rapid Cash Generator Masterclass. That's how to find deals, how to make deals, and how to get paid. Let me explain. Finding deals is marketing. Becoming a great real estate investor is about getting your lead flow right, bringing in a flow of leads. That way you can have good deal flow, a flow of deals. And that comes from having to get your marketing down right. So that's part one, finding the deal, which is good marketing. You gotta get great marketing. I'm gonna show you the non-obvious ways of doing marketing. You don't wanna blend in with the crowd. Blending with the crowd is the kiss of death. So I wanna teach you how to do your marketing right. Then part two, we're gonna spend a ton of time on negotiation, on making deals. Because negotiation is a key skill in both business and life. I would argue it's the number one skill to have in business. The number one money-making skill is how to negotiate deals. And guess what? They don't teach it in school, and barely anyone teaches negotiation. When you come on Saturday for the masterclass, we're gonna spend a lot of time on negotiation, because I wanna turn you into a fantastic negotiator, and that is exactly what we are gonna do. Many people have told me that this class, what I teach in the negotiation section alone, is worth somewhere between $11,000 and $82,000. How do I say that? Well, when I taught this masterclass a while back in Memphis, one of the students came to me at the lunch break and said, "Holy cow, Tom, if I would have had what you just taught before lunch, the negotiation techniques," he went, "I would have," because he had to unwind an $11,000 deal, and he was horrified by it. He went, "Man, I lost all that money. What a horrible thing. If only it had what I taught him at a one-day masterclass, everything would have been a lot smoother." I said, "Well, good, now you know, at least." Now, two, I took the 6 techniques that I'm going to teach you. I've got 6 terrific techniques, negotiation techniques, that I'm going to be teaching at the masterclass. I've taken these very 6, and through one of my real estate agents, I guided him using these 6 exact techniques to knock the price of a listed property down $82,000. We saved $82,000 on this deal. I'm going to teach you those exact same things. Now, I've told people this before, and they go, "Really, $82,000? That's a lot. That's a big promise from just a one-day class." I said, "It works." I had a couple show up at my last boot camp, and they had been to my one-day masterclass when I did in Wisconsin, and they said, "Wow, Tom, we took everything you taught just at the one-day Rapid Cash Generator masterclass, and they used all the negotiation techniques to drive the cost of a property down to $45,000. They bought that property, and when they turned around to resell it, they used everything I taught them to drive the price up and got $95,000 on the resale. So they made $50,000. He said, "Man, Tom, I made $50,000 from what you taught me in a one-day class." Now, you think that was worth the time? Was that worth the very modest investment of what the group charges to be there? Absolutely. So that's really why I want you to be there. We've got between finding deals, making deals, and then the third part is getting paid. That's all about contracts and control. How do you use the right legal contracts at the right time? How do you understand those legal contracts? What do your legal contracts need to have? And how do we control everything throughout the deal? Not just the legal side of the business, but you've got to control your motivated seller, you've got to control your buyer, you got to control the settlement companies and attorneys, and yeah, you've got to control yourself, your emotions, your thoughts, all that. I'm going to go through all my techniques for how we do that at the one-day Rapid Cash Generator Masterclass. I really want you to clear your calendars and be there. I'm inviting you personally because it's become my mission in life to train others, to give them the information I wished I would have had when I got started. And I'm 17 years into the business now. Everything I'm going to teach you on the Saturday is exactly what I wish someone would have taught to me 17 years ago. Because man, it would have shortcut my process, would have shortcut everything. You're wondering where I am now? I'm in Idaho. That's some of my family and friends right back there. My son, taking him on a kind of his first backpacking trip, so he can get a sense of what's happening out here. And it's nice to do this on a weekday. You know why? Because every day's a Saturday to me now. I don't have to wait for the weekend to have free time. I can do this in the middle of the week on a Tuesday and come back on a Wednesday or Thursday, and it doesn't matter. And that's what I want for you. That's why it's so important to clear out that one Saturday with me, because what you learn, we can then turn every single day into a Saturday. And that's when things get really exciting in life. And that's what the Rapid Cash Generator is all about. I'm going to teach you how to find deals, make deals, and get paid. I'm looking forward to see you there. Use the links on this page and sign up. It's Tom Zeeb from the beautiful Sawtooth Mountains signing off. We'll talk to you later.